Layo,
So,
huwag muna
dito.
kayo mag-gate, huwag niyo pilitin.
May na-dismount yata sa
Ay, naglalag. Ba't ka?
Lahat
Yan nyo sila
nandito,
mag-zone muna.
nandito.
Spread kayo, spread.
Oo, talaga.
Magza-zone din yan.
GMK pa lang
Marami na
kami.
naka-zone sa atin.
Hindi, okay lang.
Muna
Camp
kayo.
Castle. Pag na-zone ka.
Malapit
Kulang
lang naman
pa
yung
ng
castle
isang
pag zone.
demon dyan.
Trade me Psyops. Teka lang boss, dito lang ako.
Sandrip Shore, PA. Abangan kaya natin sa choke to.
Bakit? Naka-OC ka na Psyops. OC mo na lang yung boss.
Yan, nabawasan na yung ano nila.
Ayan, dito na sila.
Pumapasok na, pumapasok na.
Carving na naka ano.
Boss, i-click mo lang yung OC mo boss. Hindi mo kailangan ng 20 OC.
Hindi na kailangan ng
Yo, stako mi, dali.
Pipindutin mo lang yung OC boss.
Stako mi. Pag nag-dismount to, ready. Shallow notice in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow notice na. Di pa namatay. Tara, kamba. Careful. Yo.
Western Paradise pa rito ha.
Sige, nakamarka na. Careful up front. Ilang
Southwest
percent
tayo
yung gate?
pumasok yung mga nahuli.
DPS ready.
Ilang percent yung gate? Yo, notice na gate ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Notice na gate na.
60%.
Comeback shot.
Zone ako.
50% right now.
Gigi, yo, come southeast muna. Pabasag niya. Come southeast. Pabasag niya.
10%.
Gigi.
Jacket boss.
Jacket, anyone, jacket.
Careful ah. Punta nga kay kanan room.
Ako lang ba jacket?
Kanan ah. Kanan ah. Then straight north. Kanan straight north. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight north na. Nice hit. Yo, careful. Dep front. Dep. Yo. Walk in. Hello. Walk in. Cool down fast. Gigi. Cool down fast lang. Walk in. Try to hold them. Ditang try to hold them. You ready? Wait. Wait. Shallow on me west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me west. Nice kill. Hold lang. Hold us fast southeast. Yo, come back. Def front. Yo, walk west. Dali. Walk west. Try to hold them. Walk west. Try to hold them. Dali. Walk west. Everything southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now on me. Southwest me. Come back. Ano dami? Stop ba kayo?
Na-stop kami. Every miss dead.
Ay, hold lang. Hold us fast.
May namatay 400k yung team.
May namatay oh.
8-3.
Yo, come. Wait. Careful ah. Yo, ditang step up. Sarap ko ng base nito. Yo, look shallow southwest by the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest by the wall. Come back. Careful ah. Yo, Gardon. Look in a hot, Careful up front. Yo, dep front. Cool down sky dyan.
Guys,
May CJ set up ha. Yo.
Wait. Hold down ako.
10 seconds.
DPS ready.
Pwede kayo J 5 seconds.
Killer oh.
Wait. Pa-J ako southwest.
Bedrock.
J.
Yo. Look shallow west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest na. Come back east. Come back east. Cold as fast. Careful. Yo, walk west now. Walk west.
Top jump.
Walk west.
Pwede ka na J.
Come south. Wait lang. Come south. Yo, pa-J na sa choke.
DPS ready.
J.
Yeah, deep northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest na. Kill nyo to. Quiz doubles nyo to. Puta na buhay. Hold lang. Huwag kayo kahit masyado.
Guys, paayos yung cooldown ng jacket. Ano tong
Sa sword,
nag-ulti
dude.
ngayon?
Tayo,
walk south.
Puling sila. Puling.
Walk south.
Next
Try to
tayo.
ask them na.
J ko to.
Taylor.
Bridge.
Wait lang. Try to them. Ditang try to them. You're deep northwest in 5. Wait. Careful. Deep northwest sa choke. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest sa choke. It's big. Hit, then go back na. Careful ah. Ready pass. Yo. Hold the choke. Come southeast. Keep pushing. Careful up front. Yo, walk northwest now. Walk. Walk northwest. Wait. Walk northwest.
DPS
Try to
ready.
lang na. Pa-J na.
J.
Yo, deep northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest na. Come back southeast. Pass the choke. Ready Ready dep sa choke. Hold the choke. Yo, don't go. Ang layo nyo. Huwag kayo masyado lumayo.
Silent.
Hold us fast. Dep front. Tell me ready, ah.
2 seconds. Ready
Yo,
na.
ready. Wait. Guard dun nga. Yo, shallow north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow north na. Okay, Hodge died. Yo, hold the choke. Keep holding the choke. Hello? Keep holding the choke. Careful. Hold us fast. Yo, dep na. Oh, God.
Ready.
Copy.
Ready.
J. Ay, Zoro ah.
Wait. Isa bit. And this inside is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us. And they come southeast. Hold the choke. Southeast, hold the choke. CD. Hold.
Nagra-run out.
CD lang.
Nagwo-walk in.
CD lang. Defensive.
Ready.
DPS ready.
Perma engage on your north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North on this tank. And then come east. Inside the castle. Come east to the castle. East. Yeah.
Pinaka-pull ba ng weapon nito?
East. CD. Come a bit. West a bit.
Wait.
DPS for
Pwede kita sa tapan kung gusto mo.
West a bit. Shallow lang.
Ah, ito. Shallow.
Ang layo ng DPS. Malayo. Come east. Come east.
Pwede open chest ah.
Pa-open na yung battle map. Come northwest a bit.
9 minutes OC ah.
Yeah.
DOC na kayo.
Winner takes castle, di ba?
Ready on heavy.
Okay, Ben.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow lang. And then come east agad. East agad. Ready defensive lang east agad. Go east. Towards sa castle. Keep running. Defensive na.
Light.
Oh,
Hold ako, sorry.
Go inside the castle. Inside the castle.
DPS ready. Pwede kang mag-shadow
Yeah.
bago pumasok.
Okay.
Kulang na DPS ah.
So just go inside.